Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and I hope you all are safe. And welcome back to a fresh, amazing, exciting and bang on episode of Vehiculopedia. So friends, as you have seen the thumbnail and title of my video, yes friends, this is true that I am going to tell you about the fastest bike in India which is available right now, and this statement is claimed by the company itself. So friends, I'll tell you everything about this bike. So friends, don't skip this video, watch this till the end, and if you like this video then don't forget to hit the like button. And without wasting any time, let's get started to our video. So friends, starting with some general information about the Indian electric bikes, and you must be knowing that the craze of buying a electric vehicle is increasing day by day as the efficient transport movement had stepped in the automobile industry. And you must be knowing that still India has been lagging behind in the electric vehicle sector. So friends, this electric bike company One Electric has announced the introduction of first grid-in electric motorcycle. The company has announced that it is made in India electric bike and has completed the on-road trials and homologation process, friends. And deliveries for the initial rollout will commence from the next month, which is obviously in this October end or by the November, covering major 4 cities in the country, friends. Friends, if you don't know about the homologation process, then let me tell you that homologation is the method of certifying that a specific car or bike is roadworthy or not, and especially all that cars or bikes that is produced or imported into that country follow the prescribed standard set by the government of that particular country. And the Pune based Automotive Study Association of India, which is known as ARAI, are responsible for this clearance for the passenger vehicles in India. So now friends, leaving all the general information behind, now let's go straight to the design sector of the bike. Then friends, the bike has no fancy element honestly, but it looks quite nice according to me, friends. With its minimal appearance, I won't say it looks something different as it is a new bike. And speaking quickly about the style, then even though it is claimed to have a high performance, and also that Credence is the India's fastest electric motorcycle, and other brands such as Mflux One and Ultraviolet F77 are yet to be released, and also they say the same thing that they are the fastest bikes in India too. But coming back to the design again, it looks like that it is a daily passenger bike or daily commuter bike for day-to-day usage. The battery pack and the engine are covered by IP ratings, which is usually used for the protection from the water and dust, which looks quite nice in the bike. But friends, definitely it catches your attention towards the engine compartment area because of its big black color box type of design, which is placed in the place of the engine compartment and looks very similar to the electric model in the renders of Royal Enfield bikes, if you have seen in the previous media report, friends. And it has almost same type of logo if you see, which we have often seen on the Royal Enfield bikes too. And friends, the total range of this bike on a single charge is claimed by the company to be 110 kilometers with a battery, and it takes the recharging time of 4 to 5 hours, friends, which is I think quite standard, not up to the mark, but still it's okay. So now friends, talking about some other factors and the price of the bike, then Credin electric motorcycle from One Electric company has been priced approximately around 1.29 lakh rupees, which came from media reports, and I think this is not the fixed price, friends. And talking about some other factors, then the bike can attain a maximum speed of 95 km per hour and a peak torque of 165 Newton meters, which makes this bike, and which is also claimed by the company, that this is the fastest bike. Due to this massive torque number of this bike, it can reach the speed of 0 to 60 km per hour in just 8 seconds, friends, which is obviously quite good. But friends, let me tell you that company has not revealed about the powertrain, but although as I said, the bike might launch by the October end or by the next month, which is November obviously. So friends, I'll make a dedicated video on this bike when this bike will get launched. So friends, that's all about the today's video. Did you like this video or not, or did you like the information about this bike or not? Do let me know by commenting down in the comment section. And friends, if you have any suggestions, queries or anything related to share, then don't forget to ask me in the comment section. And friends, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, it would be really great. And friends, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. And friends, don't forget to share this video with your friends also. So friends, thanks a lot for watching. Be safe, have fun, Keep watching and I'll see you in my next video.